Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Big Style TV. You don't know this is a boy Big Style. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. No, this video is about a lady sharing her testimony. Trust me, and this is so, boy, may I tell you, God is so good. Now, she said she went to the Boulevard shopping center to draw some cash from the ATM. She draw $10,000. When she leaving, a young man come around her, push a fire stick in her waist. You know what a fire stick is? Anyway, him feel her pocket and know that she have a cell phone in her pocket. And him say, you know what? Come, put everything on the wall. She go with him and she said to him that she will cooperate with him. And she put the money on the cell phone on the wall. And you know that the young man still shoot the lady. Now, when she fell on the ground, she said to him that, why did you do that? Me can't believe I cooperate with you and you still shoot me. The lady said she start get weak. And she put her hand up and she start pray. She said when she start pray, she see a bright light. When she see the bright light, she said she don't know where the strength come from, but it's like she just come back alive and she start run and crying out for help. Anyway, long story short, them rush her to the public hospital. When she go to the public hospital, the doctor say a 10 shot she get in a 10 shot, 2 in her back, in her stomach, and youth all shoot even piece off her ears. God is so amazing. 10 shot and she's still alive. With the funniest thing about it, she know the young man is from her own community. The lady in the voice note say, enough time her husband even give him things. You can imagine? From the same corner where the street where the lady live pan at this of the youth compound. That means say, him a pray her long time. This is what you call a premeditated murder, but thank God the lady never dead. Just because he robbed the lady and the lady know who it is. So as kill him, go kill her, you know. That's why me I tell you say I don't know what's going on and where them young man ya eat, where them a eat. Make them so evil. 16-year-old he should be at home studying him book. People, I don't know what's going on. There's so much crime and violence going on. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this whole situation. And subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself and continue to follow Big Style TV. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel.